first questions that a lot of people ask is, do I actually need a UV light? And the answer is, in South Carolina, yes. There is high humidity and every unit has biological growth. Biological growth is a term that we use in the industry because we don't like using the word mold. It scares people and it shouldn't. I mean, it's just a natural biological growth. But if you already have problems breathing or have any type of issues with any allergies and stuff, it will exacerbate what you already have. Normal molds and biological growths aren't by themselves going to make you sick, but they will make other things worse. So it is a good idea to stop them at the source, and the number one source of the spores, the mold spores and the biological growth spores being spread through your home is your HVAC system. Well, there's multiple choices of UV lights. There's UV lights that do nothing but just clean air. There's UV lights that clean air, take care of smell and odor, and also kill biological growth. And here we have an example of both of them. An ultraviolet coil purifier is simply what it says. It's a coil purifier. It will kill a certain amount of biological growth, and it does help from the spread of the airborne contaminants throughout your house. It makes them heavier and they fall. Here with the Patriot PCO, which is a private label product of ours, it has a charcoal filter and two different types of UV in it. One type of the UV lighting in it is specifically made to kill biological growth, and the other type is specifically made to clean your coils. The charcoal, which is a lifetime charcoal and never needs to be serviced, takes care of any odors or smells that you have in your house. These products can easily be mounted depending on your setup. We can have them where they have two lights, where this is the coil of this unit, where we can put a light here and a light in the other end, and we can mount the unit on either side, and there's different voltages for these. Depending on your voltage of your unit, we can get the correct product for you. Pricing on these is across the board. It's different. You really get what you pay for with these products. One of these, cost to the customer is literally maybe $99 to $100 plus labor to put it in. This light is about $650 plus labor to put it in. This light does come with a lifetime warranty on the entire structure, except for the bulb. The bulb needs to be changed every 24 months. This light comes with a 7-year warranty, and the bulb on it needs to be changed every year. Cost of the bulbs are usually between $60 to $80 to replace them. Even if they're still running after a year's time, the coating that's on the bulbs themselves has burnt off and it no longer has any usefulness. So you do have to change them and maintain them. Just the bulb part. The mechanicals of them are really well put together and last a long time. AAA, when you need us, AAA.